The next preposition we will study is the preposition before. The preposition before is able to be applied as a conjunction as well. The preposition before describes the subject that comes ahead of the object. The subject chooses and actualizes the definition of the preposition before. So we can think of the two slots. This is the first one and this is the second one. And the subject chooses the first one. And the object of the preposition before automatically chooses the second one, number 2. The speaker applies the preposition before to signify that the subject of the preposition before takes the role of the former one in the relationship of the former one and the latter one, consistent with the order of time. There is a clause, I put the laptop computer before the pen. Then we can understand that the laptop computer exists ahead of the object, the pen. The laptop computer, the subject, receives the definition of the transitive verb put from the speaker at first. The speaker signifies that the subject, the laptop computer of the preposition before, takes the role of the former one in the relationship of the former and the latter one with the object of the preposition, the pen. The subject, the laptop computer of the preposition before, takes the The speaker conveys the action indicated by the transitive verb put in order of time from the subject, the laptop computer, of the preposition to the object, the pen, of the preposition. The next preposition we will study is the preposition after, that is also applied as a conjunction to link the subordinate clause to the main clause. We can say that the preposition before and after are able to be applied as the conjunctive adverbs. The subject of the preposition after chooses the second slot between the two slots. Slot number 1 and slot number 2. The subject of the preposition chooses the latter one. And automatically the object of the preposition after chooses the first slot. The speaker applies the preposition after to signify that the subject of the preposition after takes the role of the latter one in the relationship of the former one and the latter one, consistent with the order of time. Consistent with the transitivity, the subject of the preposition starts the relationship with the object of the preposition and gives the definition of the preposition to the object of the preposition. There is a clause, I put the laptop computer after the pen. So we can understand that the laptop computer exists later than the object, the pen, according to the definition of the preposition after. Plus, we can also understand that the laptop computer, the subject of the preposition, receives the definition of the transitive verb put from the speaker. Secondly, the speaker applies the preposition after to signify that the subject, the laptop computer of the preposition, takes the role of the latter one. the interpretation of the two prepositions before and after is the good point that we can review the fact. The fact is on the subject. The subject of the preposition starts and gives the definition of the preposition to the object. The speaker applies, the subject, the laptop computer of the preposition. Start the definition of the preposition after as the latter one. So the object, the pen of the preposition, takes the role of the former one automatically. The speaker signifies that the action indicated by the transitive verb put is conveyed to the object, the pen, of the preposition, and then the subject, the laptop computer, consistent with the order of time.